join me as I make some vegetable egg rolls. I am going to start by adding all my chopped vegetables to a pot. We have some cabbage and carrots. To add tons of flavor to the egg rolls, let's season the vegetables with some dried parsley, some Italian dressing, some onion powder, garlic powder, seasoned salt, 1 clove of fresh garlic, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 3 tablespoons of water. Season to taste and season using your favorite spices. Whatever seasonings and spices that you use to seasoning your food with, go ahead and use that, but these are my everyday favorites. Once you've added all your spices and seasonings and 2 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of water, go ahead and mix everything together and allow the vegetables to steam for no more than 5 minutes. Allowing them to steam for just about 5 minutes still allows them to have that crunch. However, if you want them to be softer, steam for longer. I'm going to get an egg wash ready to seal the wrappers and brush onto the rolls once they're done. Just 1 egg with some water and whisk. I'll be using 1 pack of vegan egg roll wrappers and also adding some Asian rice noodles to the egg rolls. Using 1 wrapper at a time, you want to start by placing the wrapper in a diamond shaped, 1 end towards you, the other 3 ends away from you. Add 1 tablespoon of steamed vegetables and rice noodles to the center of the wrapper. Brush 2 sides with some wash and roll starting using the end closer to you. Bring the 2 outer ends in, roll over, and seal. And it should look something like this. At this point, you're simply going to repeat the process until you're out of wrappers or out of vegetables. This pack of egg wrappers has about 20 wrappers, so I'll be rolling until I'm out of wrappers. Most important thing is, do not forget to seal the wrappers. Once you're done rolling the egg rolls, give them a light glaze by brushing the egg wash over each egg roll generously. And into some hot oil they go, 1 at a time, slowly and carefully until they're all fried crisp and golden. And this part of the process really does not take long. They fry very quickly because the wrappers are so thin. Look how nice golden and crisp they look. And there you have it, my friends. You've made your own homemade vegetable egg rolls with some sweet and sour sauce for dipping. Enjoy!